we're shooting a quick YouTube video. I'm testing a Giant Squid lavalier microphone, which maybe you'll see here, and also the Sony digital recorder.
Hello people, I'd like to share with you a recent purchase. This is a Sony ICD UX560 digital voice recorder or digital audio recorder. High sensitivity, low noise mic system. And actually, I've had a little play with it. It's absolutely brilliant. I'm really impressed with it. So some of the key things then, you can record with its internal memory. You can record to MP3 format, 39 hours, so 40 hours effectively. And the battery lasts for 27 hours. So you could record for an awfully long time. Anyway, it also has some other magnificent features as well. For instance, one of the features is a USB port which pops directly, or a USB plug which pops directly out of the bottom of it. So, for instance, bonk, there it is. Now you just plug it straight into your computer and it sees the drive, the memory of this device like a regular drive. It has a couple of microphones on the top here and on the front, so you can put it down conference style, perhaps have one of the microphones biased to you, the other one biased to somebody else. It has some a record input on the top of it, or a microphone input on the top of it. Pair of headphones that you can plug in and listen to what you're doing. Various different settings for various different gain control settings and filter control settings for recording audio. It's really small. I mean, look at it. It's tiny. It fits in the palm of your hand. It's light. It feels, I mean, it wouldn't be a hardship just to stuff this in your top pocket. I must admit, what I'm using it with at the moment is a Giant Squid, a lavalier microphone or a lapel type microphone, and this works an absolute treat. You just plug that in the top. You can go for a walk and someone can be on a camera half a mile away videoing you, and you've still got some decent audio for your YouTube video or whatever it is that you're doing. So yeah, it's really quite a cool piece of kit. 4 gigs I think on the 4 gigs of RAM, and the user interface is relatively easy. You just power it on and yeah, okay, so, the output of the speaker on the bottom of it isn't exactly going to be amazing, but if you listen to it through headphones, it's fantastic. It'll play regular MP3s and things like that with headphones as well. So it has an SD card slot on the side of it. Put it in hold mode as well, so that if you are going to put it in your top pocket and it's recording and somebody bumps into you, it doesn't accidentally press the stop button. Yeah, and obviously the battery is rechargeable, so when you plug this into your computer, effectively it charges the battery up. It really is a cool, sweet little piece of kit. And yeah, there's a box with instruction manuals and warranties and all that kind of stuff. To be honest, this thing is dead easy. Plug and play, just stuff it in and go. Awesome. Righto, so what you can hear now then, we'll do a quick sound test. I'm upstairs in a room with very little to stop echo, so you might find that this is a little bit tinny, a little bit echoey up here. The quality of the audio. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up and let's record an audio track. Alright, let's go ahead and record the audio track that you're listening to right now. So I'm just going to go and stuff that right in front of my face and talk away to it. And I can talk to it very loudly and I can talk to it very quietly, and everything just automatically adjusts its gain control and works an absolute treat, I reckon anyway. So there we go, that's the microphones on the front of the Sony. Let's go ahead and plug in the lavalier mic. So you'll notice now then I've got a little menu option that's popped up to say that we're going to be recording from the lavalier mic. Okay, so now we're recording from the lavalier microphone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can hear what the Giant Squid lavalier microphone sounds like through a Sony ICD UX560. Test, test, 1, 2. Alright, thanks for watching, guys and girls. I hope that's sort of interesting or useful for you if you're considering buying one of these for your videos and whatnot. Yeah, I would go for it. I think this is going to be very, very useful going forward for future YouTube videos. Cheers, guys.
And yeah, it's fantastic news. We got married yesterday, the day before Valentine's. Today is Valentine's. Yes, it's England, it's raining, and yes, we're shooting a quick YouTube video. I'm testing a Giant Squid lavalier microphone, which maybe you'll see here, and also the Sony digital recorder. Hopefully, if I don't look too much like Festy from the Addams Family, hopefully this works. Anyway, cheers, thanks for watching.
Should I get so you're gonna take a picture or record?